This 2008 Holiday Rambler Ambassador 40 SKQ is a Class A RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Holiday Rambler is 40 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, LP detector, water heater, oven, microwave, TV, leveling jacks, air conditioning, slide-out, smoke detector, stovetop burner, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features couples coach, mid-bath, rear bedroom. This 2008 Holiday Rambler Ambassador 40 SKQ is built on a Roadmaster RR8R Raised Rail chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.